Good morning, y'all. It's Ryan Smith, aka Ryan the Scavenger. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's look at some of the thunderstorm damage from last night's storm here in Kearney. We got about probably, I don't know, 60, 70 mile an hour microburst winds that came through, and maybe more, who knows. But look at some of the damage from around the neighborhood here in the Stone Ridge area of Kearney. Basketball hoop down. We got basketball hoops down everywhere. They fell down all over the place. 3 of them right here. More basketball hoops down, unfortunately. This is my favorite neighborhood thing here. Looks like his flagpole broke off here, so we're gonna rescue this for him and take that in so his flag doesn't get messed up. Don't you love that? And in keeping with the theme of the day, we have more basketball hoops down. We had like Blackhawk down there with the flag. Oh, I'm glad that thing didn't touch the ground, but now we got more basketball hoops down. And I'm surprised I didn't see more of these. Garbage cans down. Oh, what a crappy night. We must have had 70 mile an hour winds. Maybe 80 even. I came prepared. I bungee tie up my thing there, or my trash cans, but man, they almost went for a ride. They got all bunched up together. Must have been a coming from the north a little bit. They're all blowing to the north there. Phew, what a mess. Wheelbarrow got blown over. Ooh, we got some more damage out here. Let's go have a look. Oh, okay. I thought that was going to be a flange from the top of someone's roof, but that's not from my trash can. Somebody else's trash can got blown all the way over here. Well, we got a lot of thunderstorm damage from last night. So I'm going to go check on my little birdies here and see how they're doing. I hope they survived. There is down trees and down fences and everything around town. So let's go see if they survived the night. There's Mom right there. Oh, there they are. They're still there, huddling together. Okay, another update for you. The other egg just hatched. She's coming out of the egg literally right now. Less than those 2 in the back there, they're 24 hours old, and then that one just literally hatched within the hour. Isn't that cool? So cool. Brand new baby robins, 3 of them. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button down below. Y'all have a great day, and as always, keep on scavenging.